What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mikey back with you guys with another video. And today we got new wheels, but I'm not gonna be showing them in today's video because we have coilovers. Now these coilovers, I have had them for a minute. Bought them for like $320 the pair, and they're true rear coilovers, Park Shop Max. Took me a while to get everything, but we have everything now. So we're putting on the spring. We already put the spring. I'm gonna show you guys how to put the other one on right now. They're 8K spring rates, but that's like the average for a coilover. So I couldn't find what I wanted, and so we stuck with these because I got them for free. So shout out the boy who gave them to me. But yeah, we have the spring, the coilover finally now. Now excuse my mess of a room, but look, we have the VOODOO bucket delete tow arms right here that we're gonna need for this true rear coilover conversion. Finally, you know, that's what we needed. We got the spring sitting over here, so I'm gonna show you guys how to put that spring on in a bit. But the last thing I needed was the centric tow arm kit, which we need for the tow arms, for the VOODOO tow arms. So we got them from GK Tech. Shout out GK Tech. And I got 2 stickers from them. You know, it's really rare to come across these stickers, so yeah, we got those. Got the spring right here, so we're gonna install these boys maybe today. I might have to take my time with it, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys real quick how to put this spring on the coilover. Boom. All right, in order to do this, we gotta take off this top piece right here. Make sure you guys have an impact. The only reason why the hammer's there is because I was kind of messing with the preload right here on top. But yeah, make sure you guys take off this piece, and then this other top piece is gonna come off, which is the top hat, I believe. So put that apart on that side so you don't get it mixed up. Now we gotta take off this little one as well, and that comes off easily. And then this piece comes off as well. So we're gonna put that to the side, and boom, that's it. Literally, that's all you do. So now we grab the spring, throw it in there, and that's about it. But we're gonna put everything back together. So we're gonna start off with, what was it? This little piece right here. Sorry, it's hard to do it with 2 hands or with 1 hand. We'll put this piece back on, right? Look, exactly like that. Then we're gonna put this piece again right here. Then we're gonna put the top hat again. And then you see how there's not much thread, or actually, it should be all right if it fits in there. Yeah, there you go. So what you're gonna do now, we're gonna hand tighten it for a little bit right now. But you're gonna want it really tight. There's obviously what's it called? There's a certain torque spec for your coilover, so make sure you guys torque it down as well. But I'm just showing you guys real quick how to do this. And you see how there's a little bit of thread poking out. This one not too much. We're gonna use my impact, and we're gonna tighten it. But I can't do this with one hand, or one hand in the camera. So you gotta hold this piece while tightening the top. And this is a 21 millimeter. So depending on what you got, I don't know how everyone else's coilovers are different, you know. So this is for the Z. So we're gonna tighten the top piece, but we're gonna hold this because if you don't hold it, it's gonna be spinning the whole entire coilover. So yeah, you're just gonna hold this part while tightening the top right here. And boom, I tightened it right now, so that should be good enough. But yeah, that's how you put the springs on the coilovers. All right. So today we're doing the true rear coils and VOODOO tow arms, bucket delete tow arms.
We or me?
Yeah, pretty much Izzy. But I mean, we're kind of in a time crunch because tomorrow's Cali Creaming Fresno, and I'm trying to figure out if we could get it done today or not. I would have to still get it aligned.
That's a stupid question. You're obviously gonna get it done.
Yeah.
Right now.
So that was a 17-inch.
17 millimeter.
Yeah, 17 millimeter. Bucket coming out. Yep.
Done. Was that like 2 minutes?
Yeah. Oh, you just gotta take off the other one now.
Yeah, you can slam like that.
Yeah.
Now I gotta get rid of this. Both these 2 bolts here, 2 12s. Look, put the camera more over here.
All right. You can't see.
So to get rid of these coilovers here, there's a 17 millimeter here.
Oh yeah.
And you got 2 12s up there. 1, 2, 12 millimeters. And there's one more 17 holding up the bucket right there.
Yeah.
17 and 17.
Oh yeah.
And then in place of that, we're installing this.
Yep. VOODOO tow arms, and make sure you guys have the eccentric lockout kit too.
That's honestly not needed.
But
that's if you're using your stock buckets and you're trying to get camber with the stock buckets.
Oh, okay.
This is gonna give you plenty of camber. Because this has a lot of adjustment.
Yeah.
We're gonna take out this bucket, put a bolt through it, and get it exactly the same to keep the camber exactly the same, so he makes it to the alignment shop.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put these in place of those shocks. These are true rears. Realistically, you're supposed to put a reinforcement plate up there because you're adding a lot of tension just to that plate up there, because this car originally has a divorced setup.
Yeah.
So you're supposed to put a plate up here to reinforce it. But Mikey lives on the edge.
I didn't know about that, to be honest.
It's good though.
Yeah.
You know? It's not like you actually abuse this car, you actually drifted and shit.
Yeah. Occasionally. Yeah.
Alright, Mike.
Alright.
Have you heard that?
What?
You recorded that?
It's only one bolt right there, huh? 17?
Yeah, there's one on the other side. It's a bolt and a nut. Oh, the other side is a 19.
The other side's a 19.
It's sort of, yeah.
Originally I was gonna try to do these myself, but and take my time with it, but I put the new wheels on. I'm not gonna show you guys the new wheels yet, but the fender was hitting the tire vicious because they're really wide.
So we're gonna be camber game.
So we're gonna do camber, yeah. Originally I didn't want camber, but these wheels are too hard to not, you know, unless I rebuild them. But for now,
no more bucket.
yeah, no more bucket.
Now you get this and you throw it as fucking far as you can, and you put these on.
Yep, those bad boys.
Put these babies right here.
Sure.
Can you bring it back? We need to measure it.
Alright.
Imagine it was that easy just to extend it like that.
Except it's not.
Not for you, buddy. You see that?
Yeah.
We're gonna go a little bit longer. If we leave it like this shorter, the bottom is gonna be shorter, you're gonna get positive camber.
Oh, okay.
So if we extend it, you'll get negative camber, so we need to make it longer.
So we
You understand right?
Yeah.
Because if this is longer,
Yeah.
it's gonna pull your thing this way.
Oh, okay.
And if it's shorter, it's gonna pull it this way. You see what I'm saying?
It's gonna pull it out? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so we need it longer
see
this
that?
way, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense.
We should take off the other side too.
Yeah. I'm gonna get down on it because.
Here, here's all you need.
Alright. So we already got one coilover off. We gotta take off the two 12s on top. So I'm gonna get it right now. But I can't do two things at one time, so yeah.
Got it, Mike.
Put it in. Throw it in.
Fucking Mike shipping goes for you. Here, hold it.
I'm on this.
Hey, because it wobbles.
Oh. Yeah, that's.
But it makes it easier for me, in my opinion. Twist it. I don't know anymore.
Damn! And that one came off. Oh no, this is the 12, huh?
Yeah, that's the 12 that we're gonna use.
Look here, a little cook now.
Okay.
Alright, let's compare, contrast. See, that one was more strong.
Who adjusted these coilovers, bro?
Huh?
Nah, it's because this one's compressed. This one's not compressed. You see? This one was blown, I think.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
But if that one was blown, then why was it more higher than that one?
The adjustment?
Oh.
But which side was higher?
This side was higher than that one.
Okay, look at the buckets. Bring the other buckets. Bring the other suspension. Are they the same height? Then that's weird.
That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, this one would be higher because this one's blown, and it looks like this one has way more threads. You see that?
Yeah.
Like, I thought you said your boy adjusted these.
Yeah. It's not.
And this is like
We gotta
shock.
perfect these. Perfect those for sure.
Well, what size? Do you want them the same as this?
Yeah.
We should do it like that and just run a bolt through it all the way through, and that'll give you the perfect adjustment.
And
So
regardless,
you already set the preload here, right?
yeah, I think so.
I think so.
Nah, I don't think I did.
It doesn't matter because these shocks are blown. You said no.
Yeah.
Fucking this
Should be.
fucking matter, brother. You know. Like, if these are some good fucking brand new coilovers, I'll set the preload for you.
Yeah.
All you do to set the preload, bro, is you loosen this bottom nut. You loosen it, and you loosen this and you put it hand tight, and then you get the coilover wrench and you turn it until you have a exact gap of the coilover wrench in between these, and you tighten it up, which is about 4 to 5 millimeters. Oh, I'm showing the wheel right now, fool. Oh. Can't show the wheel. That's what the bitch is asking. So right there we got a little bit more camber. Yeah. See that? You want more? More tilt?
Yeah, more too.
More tilt?
All right, let's see how this looks.
You're a fucking fag. Give me more camber. Fucking fag.
I don't want camber. Well, we gotta do it.
In order to clear those wheels, bro, you
Yeah.
gotta pull the fuck out of these fenders or get some fucking camber in there, you know?
Yeah.
No other choice, but these are pretty fucking wide.
Wide
bro.
already. I think they're...
Yeah, 12 and a half, brother.
Yeah.
With a fucking high positive offset.
True.
What's the
think-
offset on them?
Supposedly -2 or something like that.
Or a high negative offset, I guess.
Yeah, someone said like a -30 or something.
What do you think? More? And we could always put them on and adjust them when they're on.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Cut the zip tie.
You can even adjust it even when it's stopped?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's even easier.
Alright, so we messed with the camber a little bit, and that's how it's looking right now.
Had a tilt.